Welcome, beautiful creators. If you love elegant fascinators and creative designs, you're exactly where you need to be.
Hey there, welcome in. Don't be shy. You're in the right place, just give it a try. Leave your worries.
First, we are going to start by coiling the feathers. So get your straightener, your coiler, whatever you use. You can use your scissors to coil, but I wouldn't advise that because it will not be smooth. So get a straightener, even if it's the smallest one. I made reference to one of it in one of my videos. Alright, so after coiling, we'll go into the prepping. So you cut off this root and then you prep it. After which you are going to cut out a circle from a felt material or whatever you want to use as your base.
Hey there, welcome in. Don't be shy. You're in the right place, just give it a try. Leave your worries right at the door. We got something special in store. Take a seat, relax your mind. Creative moments you're about to find. Step by step, we'll make it clear. Everything you need is right here. Welcome to Undescribed. Let your ideas flow. Take it easy, move slow. Feel the vibe, enjoy the ride. I'll be right here by your side. Welcome to Undescribed, where we create. No stress, no rush, just innovate. Breathe it in, let your mind drive the night inside. Undescribed. From the basics to something grand. We'll build it all with
Alright, so the way I am gumming this down, if you notice, I put gum at the center of that circle and then I begin to gum it down in the opposite direction. Alright, so this way everything will clap together, like will join together. So I'm going to do this and put feathers if need be. If you want a bigger ball, your circle is going to be bigger so that it can accommodate all your feathers. So I didn't want this really big. I'm just trying to show you that even with small feathers, you can create fascinator ball or feathers balls. Alright, so it's that simple. Is it simple? Just make sure your feathers are gum in the opposite direction till you close up every open space. And the next step is to actually gum them down together. So keep on watching and learning.
Welcome to Undescribed. Let your ideas flow. Take it easy, move slow. Feel the vibe, enjoy the ride. I'll be right here by your side. Welcome to Undescribed, where we create. No stress, no rush, just innovate. Breathe it in, let your mind drive you now inside. Undescribed. So stay a while, enjoy the art. This is where your journey starts. Relax, create, and have a laugh.
So assuming you wanted to do two colors like this particular one that I showed you, this picture, what you're going to do is to put the lighter color inside. To start with the lighter color and then you now cover it up with the dimmer color. Like this white and blue, you put the white inside as you see. So just follow the same procedure and then you cover it with the blue and that gives you the ombre effect. All right, so that is how this one is done, but the same procedure. Okay, so once I was done with that, I cut out my copper wire and I cover it up with the bias. I didn't actually measure what length it was. I just check how I want my height to be and how many feathers I have. You know, you can make it more than 3 feathers. You can make it even 5 or 6. All right, so just um, follow your own style. Be creative with what you're doing. You don't have to do three. Just get creative. Do something different. All right. So once I was done with covering the copper wire, I went ahead to gum it down to the feathers. Now there's another step to use and do this to gum it down, to tie these feathers down. There's another step, or there's another method rather. That method will be in my next video, so watch out for my next video to see another method that you can use in gumming these feathers down better. I feel the other method is better, so that's why you need to watch out for the next video. And emphasis on copper wire, it has to be a flexible wire, like very flexible, so that you can bend it anyhow you want. So that's what I'll be doing going forward.
Hey there, welcome in, don't be shy. You're in the right place, just give it a try. Leave your worries right at the door. We've got something special in store. Take a seat, relax your mind. Creative moments you're about to find. Step by step, we'll make it clear. Everything you need is right here. Welcome to Wanna Scrap. Let your ideas flow. Take it easy, move slow. Feel the vibe, enjoy the ride. I'll be right here by your side. Welcome to Wanna Scrap, where we create. No stress, no rush, just innovate. Breathe it in, let your mind drown. You're now inside Wanna Scrap. Wanna Scrap. From the basics to something grand, we'll build it all with heart and hand. Every lesson simple and true, made with care, just for you. No pressure here, just take your time. You'll get it right, step by line. Trust yourself, you've got the spark. Let's light it up and make your mark. Wanna scrap, let your ideas flow. Take it easy, move slow. Feel the vibe, enjoy the ride. I'll be right here by your side. Welcome to Wanna Scrap, where we create. No stress, no rush, just innovate. Breathe it in, let your mind drive. You're now inside Wanna Scrap. Wonder
All right, once you're done gumming that down, you use the same felt or a black color, depending on the color of your Alice band. You cover the back to have a neat finishing. And we are so done. Look at how those feathers balls are sitting pretty on my dummy. And this style is so fine, no? I'm sure when you see this style, you're always wondering, how can I get this? How can I craft this? So, if you enjoyed this class, do not forget to turn on the notification bell, subscribe to this channel, and share this with your family and friends. and I'm looking forward to have more exclusive fascinator making classes with you. Till we meet again, do have a good life.